Hey, welcome back to Cook Love Dil Se. Today we'll be making Murgh Musallam. We have taken a whole chicken of around 800 grams. After washing and cleaning, dry it with a napkin or a towel. Now you have to make clean, deep slits till the bones in the whole body of the chicken. This will help to both cook the chicken fast and as well as enhance the taste, as the masalas will be absorbed properly. Fold the wings so that it can be placed properly on the wok while cooking. Add around 4 tablespoons of curd in a bowl, a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 2 teaspoons of lemon juice, a pinch of salt, and 2 teaspoons of Kashmiri red chili powder. We are going to mix them well. Look how rich the color looks. Let's take the chicken and put the marinade all over nicely. Rub the marinade inside all the slits we had made and in the stomach. Flip it and do the same for the other side as well. After this part is over, refrigerate the chicken for at least an hour. Let's start off with the masala while the chicken is marinating. For that, take a pan and add 2 tablespoons of oil. Fry 2 tablespoons of cashew nut and 2 tablespoons of almond in it. We have already prepared onion beresta with 4 onions. Take whole garam masala around 1 tablespoon and 1 teaspoon of each whole jeera and coriander and grind it all together. In the same pan, add 3/4 cup of oil and place the whole marinated chicken in the pan and fry it in high flame. See that all sides are being fried. This will give a beautiful color to the chicken. You can see that the chicken is fried from all sides. Take the chicken out and keep half of the oil for later use. And add the remaining marinade and the grounded masalas in the same pan. Let it cook. On the other side, take the chicken and take half cooked basmati rice along with peas. Stuff it in the cavity of the chicken with the help of a spoon carefully. Now with a string, tie up the legs properly so that the stuffing does not come out while cooking. Just to remind you that don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. You can see that our gravy is almost ready. Add some salt and a teaspoon of Kashmiri mirch. Let's now add the oil we had saved earlier and place the chicken carefully in the gravy. We'll cover and cook the chicken in low flame for around 20 minutes, changing the sides in between. Our Murgh Musallam is ready. It's a complete meal in itself. Do hit the like and share buttons and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for future mouth-watering recipes.